everyone, it's Abby from Feather&Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a bespoke TV unit using the Create New Product tool. So I'm going to go to Create New Product in the top middle of the screen. Then on the left hand side panel I'm going to go to the rectangle option. I'm going to click and drag to create the size I want on my wall. Now to make the rectangle into a 3D shape, I'm going to go to the push and pull tool and click and drag to the desired depth. I'm now going to take the ruler and measure out intervals on either side of my shape. I'm going to use these as guides for my various TV unit sections. I'm going to use the rectangle tool again to create spaces for my TV and fire. I'm now going to use the ruler again for more guidelines, and then the pen tool this time to create lines on top of the guides. This will create new sections within my TV unit. Now that I have my sections, I'm going to use the offset tool to create details on my door panels. I'm going to click in each space and drag the cursor to make the size I require. Now I want to add some depth to these units, so I'm using the push and pull tool to create a relief in each of the door panels, creating covered doors. I'm going to do the same with the bottom sections, using the offset tool to create a border, and then the push and pull tool to create depth. This time I want to use it all the way to the back to make an open cavity. I'm going to do the same with the TV and fire sections, but only push back to just in front of the room wall to keep the cabin back intact. I've now created the structure of my unit, so I'm going to click Done in the top right hand corner, and I'm going to go to Textures and change the colour of my unit. I can now add a TV from the catalogue, amending the size with the Resize tool to ensure it fits. I can do the same with the fireplace from the catalogue, inserting and resizing in the bottom open section. I want to add some logs to the open unit, so I'm going to select one from the catalogue and use the Resize tool to fit the design. I'm then going to use the Clone tool to duplicate and create a pile. When I have several logs, I can hold down the Command key and click Group Products and then clone all items to make it faster. I'm going to add some handles from the catalogue now. I'm going to use the Resize and Rotate tool to fit the unit. I'm then going to clone and create each one from each of my door units. I'm then applying a texture from my uploads to match the wall colour. I'm now going to search the catalogue for some spotlights and insert them above my TV. Now I'm going to take my render. To do this, I will click Take Render in the top right corner. I can hide any items in the way of my view and amend the internal lighting and the sun at this point. To get a preview of the render, go to the bottom middle of your screen, then the render preview will appear on the right. If you are happy, click the Take Render button, again bottom middle. Choose the 4K option for the best quality. And here are the finished renders. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.